Yeah, that's cool. God knows how much battery I've got left now, 30% maybe. Will we get over Hotham before the battery runs out? Probably not, but at this point, I'm so far away from home, I'll be able to use this intersection to figure out how far I've come to this point, because I didn't bother to reset the trip meter or anything like that. But that's how far I've come to here. So even if I was to turn around right this second, that's how far I would have to go back. I'm going to regret this come tomorrow. This was all 80 Ks, I think, wasn't it? Yeah. Look at that. Ah! Crap! I wouldn't want to be going much faster than 80 kilometers an hour on this road. Let's try and squeeze the whistle out. Horsey! There's definitely a chill in the air. I'm definitely getting some droplets on my visor. I wouldn't call it rain, but it's definitely moisture. I think I'm about to get wet. That was a raindrop. Crap. If it had have started this a few seconds ago when I was stopped, I could have at least put my high-vis vest on for an extra level of wind protection. But given the state of this GoPro battery, I just don't think I'm going to do that. I don't want to stop-start again just for that. You know what? I'm kind of annoyed. I'm not familiar enough with this road to be able to tell where the best windy bits are. It feels to me like I get some windy bits, I'm like, quick, pull over, get the GoPro going. And then this happens. I mean, we are climbing. We are definitely going up, up, up.
We're going up, up, up.
Keep left of poles. You okay? I guess when it's really snowy, you can't tell where the road is. Oh dear. Flower Bag Plain. What an unusual name. I really don't feel like this needs to be 60 Ks an hour. There's no snow. I mean, look at this. Not that the GoPro can see. Dinner plane. We are still going? Yes. Look, at least with these reduced speed limits, take the time and suck in some of these views. Alpine National Park, I dare say we made it. See, if I was on my Honda right now, I'd be saying something along the lines of, I don't mind reduced speed limits. something fuel economy. But I took this bike out here today because I wanted to go quick. Look at that view. Beautiful. The road here is not one you'd want to do at 100 k's, come to think of it, not unless you want to carve your way through the potholes at breakneck speed. Wow, that was wild. Yeah, that's cool. Tell you what, there's not much clutch left. Maybe I've got to adjust that cable. Yeah, last time I rode through here was at night, and I was scared. Wow, what a view. Am I talking to myself? No, GoPro's still going over the top of Mount Hotham. How do you like that? I'm trying to get a good look at the mountains and whatnot, but I'm also being mindful of where I'm pointed. There is no one behind me, so I could slow right down if I chose. Are those ski lifts? Yes! How do you like that? The ski lifts. See, I didn't see all this last time because it was dark. Probably about 9 p.m. by the time I got up here. Oh, 8 or 9 p.m. Welcome to Hotham! Jesus! Look at that! That's beautiful. What an absolutely pristine part of the world. 10-year-old tyres are showing their age there. That was a bit of a slippy, squirrely stop. Okay, stay loose. We're on a ridge line here. That's beautiful. Still going, thank goodness. That's insane. They weren't wrong about the curve. Wow. Look at this. I'm really tensing the elbows and I need to just loosen it up a bit. Oh my God, that was second. And we're out. GoPro is out. Next turn off, I will turn the... Oh, wow. Ugh. Mount St. Bernard, hey?